All right, we are back at the City Club. This one has a different cab than the others too. I forgot about that. All right, this is the strange, weird express car. That other car is running very weirdly, and yes, I will be filming it. Just wait until you see it. Woo! This might be some weird fucky controller. I don't know if this is the original one. This doesn't run like you. This runs like the ones at Macy's. These run like the ones at Macy's Chicago used to. That's what it... Why is the button for 13 still lit? Weird. Alright. Quirky relay logic. That's what I'm boiling it down to. Ah, yes. And hitting the interlocks, or the pickup rollers too. That's always a good touch. See the spray door. This does run like Macy's State Street. Anyway, that was this one, or this one. That one's being very weird, and we'll get a video of it, don't you worry. That's it.